There's more than one type of hero out in the world right now, and some, you may never see their faces or know their names. But for those living with cancer, heart disease, diabetes, or countless other diseases, these heroes and the medicines they produce are truly essential. That's why thousands of Pfizer global supply colleagues are still going to work every day around the world. From Istanbul to Ireland, Karachi to Kalamazoo, our lights are on, our production lines are running, and our medicines are getting to patients across the globe. Even though their commutes may be difficult, and heightened safety precautions are their new normal. They know our medicines and vaccines save lives, and that they cannot make themselves. So to all of our behind-the-scenes heroes in manufacturing, packaging, distribution, and supply, thank you.